स्वागत है आपका एक और वीडियो में जहां पर हमारे साथ है दी ऑल न्यू एपिक थ्रिलिंग द मोस्ट लव्ड हैचबैक ऑफ इंडियन मार्केट, द मोस्ट सेलिंग हैचबैक ऑफ इंडियन मार्केट, द मोस्ट स्पोर्टियर हैचबैक ऑफ इंडियन मार्केट, द ऑल न्यू 2024 मारुति सुजुकी स्विफ्ट इज फाइनली विद अस। और ये कुछ शादीशुदी स्विफ्ट नहीं है, दिस इज द 4th gen स्विफ्ट. सो लॉट ऑफ चेंजेस हैज बीन टेकन प्लेस इन टर्म्स ऑफ द डिजाइन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ लुक्स, इन टर्म्स ऑफ फीचर, इन टर्म्स ऑफ द इंजन, इन टर्म्स ऑफ द सेफ्टी ऑल्सो. ऑल्दो सेफ्टी लिस्ट में नहीं आती थी पहले, बट सेफ्टी हैज़ बीन चेंज ऑफ दिस कार. कैसे हुई है सब कुछ बताऊंगा, और जो जो चेंजेस हुए हैं ना सब कुछ हम छू के महसूस करके सब कुछ हम कवर करने वाले हैं. सो बिना टाइम स्टेम्प किए चाबी से स्टार्ट करते हैं. चाबी आपको देखिए ऐसी कुछ मिलने वाली है. सो टिपिकल अरीना स्टाइल की विद द ब्लू पैच, टिपिकल अरीना स्टाइल की बेसिकली. लॉक द कार, अनलॉक द कार. सो मारुति सेइंग वी आर नॉट चेंजिंग द अरीना स्पेसिफिक कीज, वी विल बी कीपिंग द सेम कीज इन ऑल द कार्स. जस्ट किडिंग, ओके. सो नो चेंजेस इन द की हैज बीन मेड. टिपिकल लॉक द कार, अनलॉक द कार. लेट्स कीप दिस असाइड एंड लेट्स कम टू द डायमेंशंस ऑफ दिस कार. सो द लेंथ ऑफ दिस car now has been increased by 20 mm. Width is the same. Height has been reduced by 15 mm. The wheelbase of the car now is the same. So no changes in the wheelbase. That is 2450 mm. The ground clearance of this car now is reduced. So it's 163 mm. The ground clearance is slightly reduced. So no changes in the wheelbase. So the length of this car now happens to be 3860 mm. Width happens to be 1735 mm. So the height has been reduced by 15 mm, which is actual height is 1520 mm, and the whole car now looks more sportier than the 3rd generation जो मेरे पास है ना, which I am owning. Although now this is looking more sporty and more sexy, okay.
क्या बात है सर, क्या बात.
So at the front of the car now, basically this is accessory loaded car. So accessory loaded, a lot of accessory has been installed on this car. सब कुछ बताऊंगा what all accessories it is having, what all accessories it's not having, company fitted क्या क्या है, सब कुछ बताऊंगा. So coming at the front of the car now, so the front look, although the whole look of the car has been changed. Coming at the front of this car now, so the headlight design has been changed. All LED, yeah, all LED has been given, so that's a cool thing. So DRLs in LED. Headlight, high beam as well as low beam in LED projectors. Side turn indicator in halogen, मतलब ये थोड़ा LED में देना चाहिए था, but okay. Fog lamps are in halogen. Na. 3rd generation Swift used to get that halogen sort of thing, but now this gets the LEDs. This is the chrome treatment which is accessory. So it gets an package of accessory जिसमें आपको जितने भी आपको मैं बताऊंगा ना, that is included in their accessory package. Garnish, fog lamp garnish, chrome, this skirting, the 360 degree skirting, जितने भी आप कैडलिंग, the lower skirting, the lower body skirting ना, is all in accessory pack. So this grill ना, piano black treatment grill is company fitted, not an accessory. Swift logo has been inserted in the bumper, so no 360 degree camera, no ADAS. Why is that so? ADAS चाहिए था ना. So this is what you get at the front of the car. So at the sides ना, this looks, the news says, the myth says that this looks like a Mini Cooper ना. हाँ थोड़ी बहुत लगती है, बट इफ़ यू लुक एट द साइड्स ना, फ्रॉम दैट पोर्शन इट लुक्स लाइक अ मिनी कूपर ना. ओके, फ्रॉम द साइड्स ना same tire profile has been carried out, that is 185/65 R15 which you get in the 3rd generation Swift now. Same tire size, Bridgestone, okay. So different brands are providing the tires. So McPherson front with coil spring suspension, the same suspension with a little bit of tuning. Alloy design has been changed. Front disc brakes, so rear drum brake happens to be, the rear suspension happens to be Tursum beam with coil spring suspension at the rear. So no changes in the tire design, although so it should have get higher tire size. The actual change now in terms of performance is inside this bonnet. What is that? Yes, this is it. The older K series engine now has been removed and thrown in the dustbin. So this gets the Z series engine, Z12E series engine, which has dropped one cylinder, although now it gets the 3-cylinder engine, which has reduced the power by 1%, that is 8 PS of power. The actual power now it gets is 80 PS of power and a torque output of 112 Newton meters of torque at around 4500 RPM. So no changes in the engine as such. So the same designing, in terms of the design, now the same design has been carried out. Let's close this with a third. Oh, it's not closing. With a proper third arm, although the bonnet here is so light now, and also the doors are so light now, but don't judge the book by its cover.
गजब बेइज्जती है.
Safety of the car isn't decided by the doors, the hood, the bonnet. The real safety is in the chassis, the frame. So Maruti claims that they have increased the weight of this car by 20 kgs, which goes now to a 925 kgs of the overall weight of the car. Although high strength steel पहले यूज़ नहीं होता था, but in Swift high strength steel has been used, which is a good thing. No cost cutting, so Maruti is providing the request switch on the co-driver door also. Few brands now offer this kind of switches, the request switch on the co-driver door, auto foldable and electrically adjustable ORVM. This is of course the dual tone option, so black and red looks more sportier. So fuel capacity is the same like mine, so this has been changed now. Yeah, the E20 fuel only, so this gets the BS 6.2.0 engine. So at the rear now, a lot of things are similar now. So this gets all LED tail light, yeah, all LED tail light, except the side turn indicator and the reverse light are in halogen. This designing now looks really phenomenal, man. So 4 parking sensors, no cost cutting has been made by Maruti, although other car brands do the cost cutting, या 2 निकाल के आगे 2 लगा देते हैं, but safety के मामले में no compromise. So 4 sensors, 4 parking sensors are provided. Where is the camera? Oh my god, this is missing, man. चोरी हो गया क्या?
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
No, usually you used to get a camera over here now. That has been changed. This is the new camera placement, so Celerio style has been copied, so in Maruti. So this is of course the accessory, so all 360 degree. This is the rear reflector, natural reflector, although number plate holding and all that stuff. Number plate light seems to be halogen, yeah, that's the halogen case. So rear wiper, washer, defogger and all that stuff is the usual, although the glass size now is almost the same. Defogger lines, washer, high mounted stop lamp. This is not an company fitted, so ये accessory package में आता है. So dual tone treatment गजब का लगता है. Let's open the boot of this car. Oh, it has been locked. No request switch. Yeah, it's having a request switch. मैं भूल गया यार. So same boot space has been carried out. A little bit has been minimized to अपना जो 265 liters, the same boot space has been carried out, 265 liters of boot space. So 3D mat, again an accessory. The lower tire size now, let's see the spare tire. Yeah, the spare tire is a 165/80 R14 low profile tire, and also the same tire size you'll be getting in the LXi and the VXi. So same tire size. Halogen 60/40 rear splits, rear partial tray, although this you don't get in the LXi. Accessory के तौर पे आप ले सकते हो. And one more thing ना, proper shirt या प्रॉपर थर्ड के साथ ना क्या गजब का आवाज़ आता है. एंड वन मोर थिंग, दिस डिफॉगर लाइन्स ना यू गेट इन VXi ऑल्सो. शॉकिंग ना, या यू गेट इन VXi ऑल्सो. सो द डोर हैंडल प्लेसमेंट ना एट द रियर पैसेंजर हैज़ बीन चेंज. सो पहले यहाँ पर था, दिस हैज़ बीन चेंज डाउन. सो मारुति इज चेंजिंग द डोर हैंडल स्टाइल. सो यहाँ पर था, अभी यहाँ पर हो गया. सो व्हाट दे आर डूइंग आई डोंट नो. एंड बिकॉज ऑफ दिस स्पेस ना, द क्वार्टर पैनल हैज़ बीन एडेड ऑन. सो काफ़ी अच्छी लगती है यार, साइड से ना गजब लगती है. सो दिस इज़ ऑल्सो द एक्सेसरी. सो अपना जो डोर गार्ड कह सकते हैं, एक्सेसरी, रेन वाइजर्स. लेट्स ओपन द सेकेंड रो ना. एक्सेसरी, सो द वेलकम प्लेट, ऑल्सो द सीट कवर्स आर एक्सेसरी. So this gets the 6 airbag standard ABS EBD hill hold assist, traction control from the base variant, from the LXi. Yeah, seriously, Maruti is giving all the standard features from the LXi variant, man. That's away. So the front seat has been adjusted according to me. Legroom, knee room is okay. Legroom is quite big, so अच्छा है. So as tall as a guy of 6 feet can easily sit, but not comfortable. But this is not comfortable इतना नहीं है, और थोड़ा रिक्लाइन होना चाहिए था. This is completely down. This is completely up. The center passenger doesn't get a headrest. No armrest also. Why is that so? Rear AC vents, thankfully. 40 डिग्री सेल्सियस तापमान गोवा में ना, you need this. Passengers, rear passengers, what they will do? So the placement over here now, has been utilized. So USB and a C type charger port has been given, so you can control this. So नीचे और कुछ है? No. इतना ही है. The 3D mats has been used. So the same door pads, but a little bit of tuning has been done. So the same chrome handles has been used. 4 speakers, 2 tweeters, the same 3rd generation type. So the driver seat is manually adjustable, not electronically adjustable. So यार ये manually क्यों दिया है? अब तो इलेक्ट्रिक का ज़माना आ गया है. Let's take this seat back. So this is of course the AGS, which stands for Auto Gear Shift. 2 pedals, दिख रहा होगा, हाँ, 2 pedals, B, A, dead pedal. Let's close the car now. Before that, this gets the silver trim on the door pads, although the ZXi and ZXi Plus only get that. So let's close the headlights, let's close the fog lamp, let's close the turn off the side turn indicators, close this cabin light, although this is also in halogen, man. So this gets the glass over here, but driver doesn't get a glass. अगर driver एक लड़की हुई, then how she will do her makeup, man?
ये क्या बात करता है यार?
Just kidding, okay. So this gets a silver trim. Also this has been continued over here. Auto climate control. इसे याद आया. Let's close this. Not as soft as such. So all the same controls, same old school controls, but this is cool, huh? Let's start the car. So start stop. Traction control can be switched on and off. Auto start, headlight leveling, bonnet opening, fuel opening, although the fuel capacity is the same as the earlier. So यहाँ से निकाल के ना यहाँ पर डाल दिया है, which is convenient. So 4 speakers, 2 tweeters, same door pad has been used. Close this, brake pad pressed, start the car. चालू हो जा यार. I know दीदी. Oh, this is not in neutral, okay. So AGS में ना ये problem हो जाता है, should be neutral and all that stuff. Coming to the steering of this car now, so the steering has been changed. Although steering hasn't been changed, but trimming has been changed. So silver मिलता था ना, this has been in piano black treatment. Horn is the same. Wipers, front and rear, no auto wipers. Headlights, auto headlights. So all that stuff, the sensors are over there for the auto headlights. So it gets only 6 speakers. 6 speakers ही है यार, no subwoofer. यहाँ पर space था, फिर भी नहीं है. So the steering adjustment, only height adjustment. No reach adjustment. Why is that so? So audio controls, cut, receive and cut controls, the cruise control, the height of the car now 6 feet is okay. मतलब इतना distraction नहीं होता है. What is this going on? इसी लग क्यों नहीं रही है मुझे? Okay. So auto climate control from the VXi, not from the LXi. From the VXi you're getting the auto climate control. LXi के बारे में मुझे पता नहीं है because the car didn't arrive. So 9-inch infotainment system with Apple Android Play wireless, कुछ भी आप कनेक्ट कर सकते हो. Wireless से याद आया, wireless charging pad has been installed finally. So specially ये cup holder लाया हूँ, coffee का cup holder है. So you can place 2 cup holders, although a bottle can be placed. Although half-liter bottle and some wallet and all other stuff can be placed over here. So piano black treatment has been used on a lot of places now. Handbrake and all that stuff is the same. So no cooled glove box as such. So no light in the glove box. The speedometer has been changed, thankfully. So ज़्यादा कुछ change नहीं हुआ है. So the middle MID ना, the middle screen is of 4.5 inch. So this gets the 9-inch infotainment system. And let's check the quality of this car now. And this can be swapped, man. गजब यार, गजब. Maruti is in the race now कि यार notification panel and all that stuff ना we can connect via the phone, अपना जो smart connect, smart Suzuki connect. You can start the car also via the smart Suzuki connect and all that stuff. देखिए यहाँ से भी connect करना है, please connect your phone and all that stuff. This touch quality is like oh एकदम मस्त and all that stuff, vehicle information, अपना जो Wi-Fi, phone and all that stuff. Let's put in the reverse ना, वो भी check करना है ना. This is the wide angle. Camera quality is kind of okay क्योंकि properly देख नहीं पा रहा हूँ. And this also shows that यार गाड़ी पीछे टकराने वाली है. And the parking sensor alert is also over there. So parking sensor can't be turned off like the other cars. That's cool यार. अच्छा खासा यहाँ पर जो अपना कैमरा रेजोल्यूशन दिया गया है. Although the camera placement is on the top तथा hazard lights, AC controls and a lot of space has been kept vacant. So all that stuff yeah same है. Interior is almost the same. Although this whole dashboard assembly ना has been borrowed from some Maruti car. Some Maruti car. कौन सी गाड़ी हो सकती है? Do let me know in the comments. One more thing. This seat cover are kind of weird ना because 6 airbag standard या from the LXi जैसे मैं आपको पहले बता दिया है ना. So this gets a specific 6 airbag standard cover. So Maruti is in the race. Yes. So they are saying that हम भी race में आ जाएंगे. We are not at the last. So let's close. Let's stop the car basically. Let's go out of the car. So the price of this car na has been increased so much na as compared to the third generation car na. So the car has, price has been increased so much that the LXi now cost 6,49,000 ex showroom. So on road will depend according to the state, but this ex showroom prices na are almost the same. So this was a perfect detailed walk around of the all new 2024 Maruti Suzuki Swift. If you like this, do share and do subscribe. और अगर मैंने कुछ मिस आउट किया होगा तो do let me know in the comments. And what about the test drive vlog? So that will be coming soon when the car arrives. The test drive car arrives now. That will be covered soon. So मिलते हैं जल्दी अगले वीडियो के साथ. तब तक के लिए टेक केयर एंड गुड बाय.